All close our eyes now. Inhale deep breath. And exhale. Inhale deep breath. And exhale. Watch your breath on your nostrils, incoming and outgoing of breath on your nostrils. सांस आ रही है, जा रही है. Incoming and outgoing of breath on your nostrils. Any outside thoughts taking over you? बाहर के कोई भी thoughts आपको disturb कर रहे हैं? Let them pass like a cloud. Don't let them distract. They are just illusion. Bring the focus on your breath, your awareness on your nostrils. सांस से नाक से सांस आ रही है, जा रही है. That is only the reality. Now bring the focus of your breath on your forehead between your eyebrows. Incoming and outgoing of breath on your forehead between your eyebrows. Feel that vibration on your forehead between your eyebrows, incoming and outgoing of breath. On your third eye, on your forehead between your eyebrows, incoming and outgoing of breath. Feel that sensation, that vibration on your forehead. Now, in your forehead, go deeper and deeper. See in the front, and you have reached to the solar system. Comprising of the 7 planets and the next 2 planets which are not visible to you. But see the 7 planets aligned in one row after millions of years. The situation has occurred. This alignment has occurred. Visualize that big orange color sun spreading its heat. As you get closer and closer to the sun, a large fireball. There's so much heat coming from it. And this orange color energy from the sun. As it's getting closer and closer to you, it's coming towards you. Visualize in your forehead this orange color energy coming towards you from the sun. So much orange energy in form of the sunlight heat is entering your body. It's like a blessing of orange sun energy. You're aligned with the sun. You're one with the sun now. As you get closer and closer to the sun energy, you're one with the sun. Sun with its all leadership qualities like a king, as if the king of the solar system is giving you all his qualities of a leader. You're getting so much positivity, leadership quality, confidence, and success. Unlimited success from the sun. You have become one with the sun. And now, as you get so much blessings from the sun, you move on to the other planet in the solar system, Mercury. Small teeny Mercury in front of sun in the solar system. The green color Mercury, small in size but very powerful in its energy. As you get closer and closer to this small circle of green color energy, Mercury, the emerald color. Mercury is sending you a lot of green energy now. Visualize it's coming towards you, towards your body. And as you get closer and closer to Mercury, you are becoming one with the Mercury. Absorb all the energy of Mercury, that green color in you. Your throat is getting better. Your communication skills are getting better. Your memory, you're becoming the powerhouse of memory. Mercury is giving you all his blessings today to communicate, to succeed in life, to have that childlike behavior energy, because Mercury is childlike behavior energy. Get all that youthfulness from Mercury. All that positivity and success in this form of green color. You are surrounded with this green color energy and you have become one with the Mercury. And now you come out from the Mercury zone and moving to the next planet in the solar system, Venus, waiting for you. White color ball of Venus. Imagine that white color Venus coming closer and closer to you in your forehead. See that Venus is coming closer and closer to you, very close. And this white light is coming from the Venus. Luxury is the way of your life now. Getting more and more wealth, energy from Venus. Venus is giving you a lot of positivity, success in all the areas of life, wealth, blessings of abundance, wealth, energy. All your wealth related and career related desires are getting manifested in this white light of Venus. You have become one with the Venus white light energy now. Completely aligned with Venus, the planet of wealth, abundance, prosperity, and success. And as now you get out of the Venus zone, As you get a bit farther from Venus, you move towards Moon. A white color moon, you're getting closer and closer to the moon. Beautifully aligned in the same row with Venus and Mercury. Go next to Moon, and as you're getting closer and closer to the Moon, this white light energy from Moon, a milky white light energy, is giving you all positive emotions. Your mind is getting healed with positive emotions. In this white light energy of Moon, as it is getting closer and closer to you, all your fears and self-doubts are getting washed away tonight. In this milky white light energy of Moon, as it is coming towards you, all your past negative emotions washed away, and you have developed a more positive emotions for the future, nice feelings. Your brain is strengthened. Your emotions are positive. And now you move away from Moon towards red color energy planet Mars. Mars is full of red color. You can see that large red color ball in front of your forehead. Go further and further closer to this red color ball. And there's a lot of red energy coming towards you now. You're fully surrounded in this red color energy. And as you get closer to this planet, you're one with the planet energy of Mars. You're getting leadership, braveness, confidence. Mars is always about strength, confidence, leadership, and you're aligned with the red color energy of Mars. Today it is blessing you with all the confidence. All your self-doubts, lack of confidence is getting washed away. All your past karmas and sins are washed away. All past memories of you being get bullied is get passed away. It's washed away totally in this beautiful red color energy tonight. Now you become more assertive in the life with this red color energy of Mars, more confident, and your leadership is getting blossom in this red color light of Mars. You're blooming. This is energizing your whole body. All your blood cells in the body are aligned with the Mars energy now. Getting that required heat, love, and positivity from Mars. Now you move away towards Jupiter. You're moving away from Mars gradually, and now you see a big, large golden color planet, beautiful golden color planet with this gold energy. A very large size planet, larger than all the previous planets. Jupiter, the planet of Guru. You're getting closer and closer to this golden light. See in your forehead, a golden light is coming towards you from this planet, and you're beautifully aligned with Jupiter now in this energy. So much blessings of this golden light coming on the top of your head, in your forehead, and now your body is fully one with the golden energy of Jupiter. It's reprogramming your subconscious, rewiring your brain. giving you more wisdom, knowledge, the highest level of education in terms of wisdom. Not only academic, but spiritual wisdom. What we say, Sadbuddhi, the rightest knowledge of thinking, to take right decisions in life, capability to take all right decisions. In this golden light, Jupiter is blessing you with more and more courage, wisdom to deal with all the challenges in life, and blessing you with more and more success and only success. Now you move away from Jupiter towards Saturn, equally large size, grey color planet, dark grey energy coming towards you, and you're getting closer to Saturn. You're feeling so calm and relaxed because you have aligned with Saturn, the planet of judgment. And in this grey color energy of Saturn, it's giving you unconditional support, protection, success to overcome all the obstacles in life. Wisdom to think rightly and manifest things for better in life. All this grey energy is absorbed in your body from Saturn. More and more grey energy coming to your body, to your mind, and it's being absorbed so beautifully tonight. Now you can see all these 7 planets in front of you in your forehead. See this solar system of 7 planets aligned so beautifully in one row. After millions of years, this beautiful planetary alignment comes in. Today, what a beautiful cosmic energy coming closer and closer to you. All the blessings. Now, even the planets who are not in this 7 to be visible, North Node and South Node, Rahu and Ketu, they are sending you their blessings of black color energy, absorbing that black color energy from Rahu and Ketu. You are one with them, and they are giving you all the success in terms of wealth, knowledge, good health. Now all the 9 planets tonight, including the Sun, Rahu, Ketu and other planets, they have become friendly to you. They are all friends to you now. For the lifetime. Not only this birth, but the upcoming births. A rainbow blessing from Sun in form of orange. See in your forehead, a rainbow blessing is coming. Orange from the solar system, green from Mercury, white from Venus, white again from Moon, red from Mars, Jupiter golden, Saturn grey, Rahu Ketu black. All this beautiful rainbow energy is coming towards you, enters your forehead, and also it's coming from the top and enters your head from the top. Feel this beautiful energy in your head today, rewiring your whole subconscious, cleaning all the garbage from your mind, and your mind is fully aligned with this divine energy of rainbow colors of the planets. This rainbow divine energy has success, prosperity, wealth, health, relationships, spiritual alignment, wisdom, all in one for your whole lifetime. Good health, good memory, fame, success, wealth, abundance, prosperity, harmony, peace, love. They are your new feelings now. Now in your forehead, visualize that one god or goddess tonight that is your favorite, maybe a formless divine for someone, and for some, any form of god they are attached to or they are surrendered to. Visualize that one powerful god in your third eye between your eyebrows, sending you the blessings, sending you this assurity now, this 9 planets and all the zodiacs and all the nakshatras, whole universe and all the galaxies will always bless you. Visualize that one god or your ascendant master or any super divine soul whom you really believe in your forehead. See them giving you blessings, and that rays from their hand, that blessing is coming deep in your forehead. And this divine source, power, is assuring you all your desires, success and goals, all your desired goals are inevitable and 100% manifesting. It's a surety from the divine power. Tathastu. Divine power is saying Tathastu, and so it is done. There's a deeper feeling now. Today, don't know how, but it's a deeper feeling that from this point of time, today, next phase of your life is the best phase of your life. Next phase of your life is the best phase of your life. Next phase of your life is the best phase of your life. Your success is inevitable. You're born to win, and you're always available, your expectations to be exceeded. Inhale deep breath. And exhale. Inhale deep breath. And exhale. Rub your hands as they get warm. Massage your face and you can open your eyes gradually, slowly. Thank you.